What is the distance required from the AC unit to the Generac 22K7043 with natural gas as the fuel source? I was told to be concerned about the fumes. The AC unit outside the house would be about 3 from the generator. The city requires technical drawings to be presented. I was planning to apply for the permit myself and hire the lincensed electrician and plumber. Now I have doubts because of the drawings requirement. What do you suggest?
Hello, my name is. I'm going to assist you with this. The distance between the genset and AC unit is irrelevant. The distance you need to be concerned with is the distance of the genset from any openings into the house. The genset must be at least 5 feet away from any doors, windows, etc. Orientation of the genset exhaust and local prevailing winds should also be taken into consideration.
Thanks. Key is to have the exhaust facing away from the AC and where the wind blows more efficiently, right?
The outside AC unit does not bring air into the house. It only houses the compressor and condenser. The refrigerant is enclosed in a sealed pipe. Having the exhaust blow toward the AC unit is not a problem, as long as it is not so close as to allow the exhaust to heat up the AC unit.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.